Oh, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to set up your chart of accounts in Wave. Your chart of account is the foundation of your accounting system. In Wave, it determines how transactions are categorized and reported. Let's get over how to get it done. First step, navigate to chart of accounts. From the left-hand menu, you want to go to accounting and then chart of account. And this will bring you to a list of all current accounts. Step 2, understand the categories. Accounts are grouped by types. You have the assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity. Step 3, add a new account. Click the add a new account button that's in the top right corner, and then you can choose account type, category name, and optionally you can add a description for clarity. Step 4, save your account. Just click save and it's going to be added to your chart. You can now use it when categorizing transactions or when generating reports. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.